Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. Fruit markets app and backends API inside today need to see this here the offer edits and offer deletes API we need to develop here. First of all, we need to create here the offer updates API we need to start here. Now we need to write down here the app.post and we need to create here the API slash admin slash offer update and we need to give this here the request and response of callbacks. Like we need to put shares and to open this here this API I need to copy here these parameters also. Like need to copy and to paste this here, create this here the like here, and we need to set like this here and also need to give this here the one more parameters we need to add here offer ID need to apply here. Like this, we need to configure and to set this here for these updates offers. We need to call like this here the API. Now we need to create here first of all. So we need to updates for this database entries. We need to write down here the update query. We need to go here and we need to select here the tables offer details. First of all, select this here the fruit markets app database. Then after select this here the offer details and we need to select this here the update query and to remove this here this offers ID we need to put here and we need to set this here the question mark and to write down here the status question mark. So we need to set like this here the data and we need to configure this value. We need to set this here. Now we need to set here the upper errors. Like we need to set one by one this data. We need to put here and we need to applying this here this data and we need to setting this here. Then after we need to set this here the question mark for one by one this wall value need to put here like here. Remove the status created dates on it and now need to set here the now and we need to set here the start date and end date. We need to cut here for this apply this all things we need to put here. Now cut this query and to paste here this query and need to return query return this here the errors and results to callback parameters like here. If we need to get here the errors, then to write down here the helper dot throw HTML errors. We need to write down here the errors and response return this here. Now we need to check here result dot affected row more than zero means here the successfully database inside here the records. If here the equal to zero, that means here the false response. So need to not update any database inside for these columns. We need to give this here the fail status. We need to return this here. So need to set here the zero and message. We need to give this here the fail message MSG fail like so need to set now again so need to copy and we need to paste this here now need to set here and we need to give this here the message as a offer updated successfully like this set here the message. Now we need to pass this here the all parameters. We need to set here first of all need to go here the add API and we need to copy this here the all parameters. So we need to need it so need to copy and we need to paste this here. Now we need to check here the one by ones. Now first parameters is the open names like this put here open names, then auto descriptions, then after types, then after the offer types and to give this here the by unit, then by quantity get quantity, then after the get unit ID, category ID, item ID, offer value, start and end dates like this two value need to put. Now Then after you need to set this here the modify, already give this here the parameters as a now, need to set this here the defaults value. Then after need to give this here the offer id, need to give this here the object dots offer underscore id. And then after need to give this here the status is equal to set here the not equal to question mark, means here the not deleted like this status we need to manage and to save this years. And this is the upper updates api we need to done for years, and we need to save this years. Now this is the upper updates api. Now again we need to another api, need to copy and paste for the updates and to give this here the delete api. And to unused parameters we need to remove here the all unused parameters like here's. And also need to remove here's and to give this here the only status need to set here's for modify before's like here's. And we need to give this here the equal to question marks, we need to give this here the two like this sets. And upper status is like this, we need to configure this here's, need to unused parameters we need to remove here's and to give this here the delete status, give this here the two. And we need to change this here the after getting this here the affected row more than zero, means here the offer deleted successfully, need to always use this here the soft delete like this. We need to configurations, we need to needs here. Now we need to check this here the updates api inside, need to only access this api for the admins. That's why I need to set here the configures and to check here the access tokens inside past is here the required types. Also need to samage, need to set here the three. And to also check this here the required parameters, we need to give this here the admins and shop owners, we need to set here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any questions, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.